In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TextNow not available in your country problem. First thing first, download and install a VPN app on your device. Popular options include TurboVPN, ProtonVPN, or Windscribe. Open the VPN app, then tap the globe server icon. Choose a United States server because TextNow works best with US or Canadian IP addresses. Wait until you're connected successfully. Now launch TextNow again and enter your email, username, and password, then try again. On the verification screen, tap Continue, then solve the CAPTCHA challenge, and once passed, TextNow should work properly. After account setup, you can now pick your preferred phone number. Numbers are typically based on your VPN's US location. If the US server doesn't work, try a Canadian server. It may require premium VPN access. Also, clear cache or reinstall TextNow if you still get stuck.